Hi everybody, I got another one for you. Check it out. These are wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and I was going to do an unboxing for another pair by JBL, but I was not too impressed with them. I was very excited, by the way, looking forward to those other ones. And if you wanna know which ones are they, go ahead and look at the description for more information. But to me, I think it's not even worth talking about them. Let's go ahead and move on to it and unbox this one. This one is by a new company, well, at least to me, because I've never heard of them, but I decided to give them an opportunity. They're called iTeknic. I believe that's how it's pronounced, iTeknic. And if you guys notice, at the very top of the box, see if I can get that for you on video, it says True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and confess something here to you, ladies and gentlemen. I went ahead and opened them and, decided to try them because I was very excited to open these. And I was debating to see if I should do an unboxing video or not. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the community. So let's go ahead and do the quick unboxing since I already opened them, right? I say quick, literally I already opened them. But I want you guys to see what the box looks like and all that good stuff. Man, and you feel like you're still reopening them again, huh? All right, so bear with me here. All right, got that, and there you go. Nothing in the box, no more. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. See, iTeknic, I believe it's pronounced. See, quick start guide. I'm very smart with this type of stuff, so I didn't really look at it, but I can give you guys a little glimpse of what it looks like. See, and I am gonna do a review on these. By the way, it comes with this. Check this out. Why not, right? Especially a company I've never heard of. I'm trying to get the right angle here for you guys. All right, so congratulations. It says you've won a free gift card. Looks like $20 at Amazon. Awesome. I could probably buy something else there. Awesome. So thanks a lot, iTeknic. And let's go ahead and get the good stuff out. Got the earbuds there on deck. Got the USB-C charging cable. You heard that correct. USB-C. Check it out. See, most of the newer ones don't have them quite yet. I know Samsung and Sony and some of them do have them now. I think the new JBL ones that are coming out or came out already, those do have USB-C charging now. But this is the first time I ordered from this company, ladies and gentlemen. So keep it in mind, okay? This is the company that I first ordered from, my very first time to order from them. So I'm very proud of this company, because for me, as a first-time buyer from this company, I said, wow, this is awesome. I did look it up in the description. I bought these on Amazon, so check them out on Amazon. Got them for about 40 with tax, give or take about 43 bucks or so. They're worth it, totally worth it, and I'm gonna tell you why. So as you guys see, I'm protected in this little plastic bag there. I already ordered, like I told you guys. I went ahead and opened it, but I decided to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you guys, so you guys can see why I decided to go ahead and open it. I was very excited, man. I'm sorry. Next time I'll definitely make it nice and better for y'all, to really have that awesome experience with me and unboxing. All right, but this is a quick one. That's one thing, quick. All right, so check it out. Beautiful. I like the design of these. Okay. You get your typical extra ear tips. Okay, check it out. We're gonna do a review on these maybe next week, so stick around for that. All right, maybe next week. Why not? Since I already, you know, tried them a little bit and I like them so far, but I wanna keep on listening to them more, and that way you guys have a much better review from me. All right, but this is a first look at them. Now, if you guys notice, it's detecting that it's charging basically. See, there you go, the light. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it actually fades in and out. You can see that in person, and camera doesn't do justice. So there you go. Now I know you guys are gonna have some awesome excited questions, such as, can you listen to one of them without having the other one paired? Oh, I'm not gonna answer that one yet. I'm gonna leave you guys thinking about that one. But if you wanna know, go to Amazon. Still, I'll give you the review next week. All right, now I got these. Now these I haven't opened because I don't really use the extra ear tips or whatever, but we're gonna do it here in front of camera for y'all. Why not? All right, you get 4 additional ones. Of course, you get your 2 mids or 2 mediums. That way you guys don't get confused with what I'm talking about here. So 2 mediums and 2 large ones. I think that's the large one right there. Yep. All right, so two mediums obviously and 2 large ones. The ones that are on there by default on the you know, in the case and such by default on the ear tip, I think they're small. I think so. I want to say small. All right. Let me feel them. Let's see. Let me feel them better, so that way you guys are what? What is he talking about? Okay. You know what? I feel that these are small, ladies and gentlemen. What do you guys think? These are small, and these ones are more large. What do you guys think? You guys tell me. What do you guys think? See? So there you have it. All right. So for now, I'm gonna leave it at this. But check it out. I love them thus far, but I'm not gonna tell you why yet. All I'm gonna say is I'm very excited to share with you. I wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you so you can enjoy it. I know that you guys are gonna be you know, wondering, are those really good? Is the quality good? Does it sound good? Blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. At least I got an awesome free gift card, again thanks to iTeknic. I believe it's pronounced iTeknic. So let's see, I have it right? Yeah. All right, iTeknic. Awesome. Thus far, I'm very impressed with my purchase. Grateful, and we will talk to you guys next time. You guys have any questions, comments or so about these earbuds, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Go ahead and commute with me if you want to see more videos of me. All right, I will talk to everybody real soon. It's your friend LP for now saying OUT. We out.